I run 4 businesses with my one-man OS operating system. We're going to do some changes here. If you go and visit One Man OS and you take a look, it's okay, but it is confusing, and it also seems like it's just a landing page, and it doesn't really go over all my businesses regarding One Man OS and our I guess you could say AI consultancy. So I wanted to fix that, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to create very nice, powerful, detailed websites using Claude and, of course, One Man OS. This is the demo right here, One Man OS. These are the skill systems in here, and they're pretty amazing, but we're going to be going over the website builder. And I use Claude already to come up with this prompt. Again, I did not write this. I just said, hey, you know what? This thing looks too much like a landing page. Let's get all our real services on there. So let's go ahead and run this. I'll just do this. Boom. Come down here. We'll paste it, and we'll just run. Okay, we'll just run this thing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So each one of these, I was thinking it's gonna do its thing, but each one of these has been worked on like crazy. This is not the way it came, of course. I had to go in here and literally spend hundreds of hours working on it, working on self-improvement loops, working on quality gates and things of that nature. And this is new because I've done this. I worked on this for about a month, but even though it's been a month, I've been working basically nonstop. And right now it's 6:42, but I've been up since 5. If you look at my earlier video, you'll see that. And I've been working on this One Man OS. Okay, guys, and this right here, there's three different versions that you could pick up. You could pick up the whole system for $29, the blueprint. You could pick up this whole system, and I think I already went over the ad monitor. I went over several of these, but I'm gonna be doing that more. I'm gonna be doing demos of each one. But one of the most powerful ones for a business is this website builder, because you're gonna be able to see how we build websites, like this website here. I don't know if I should show you the other stuff. Let's see. Okay, I gotta be careful with this stuff. So I might have to cut that whole thing out. So, why don't I just show you this? So, the original one for my original AI consultancy is break a million. So this is it right here. And right now I'm selling this AI inbox command right here, but I have these other ones all lined up and ready to go, but I'm already busy doing this, so I want to master one before going on and working on the other ones. Okay, so this is the pricing. Okay, so this is how much I charge for one email box right here, and this is the monthly support. But if you are not a business, you may not understand how much time and effort goes into, whoa, I guess already, okay, there it is. And this is a start. Okay, did you see that? Damn. I don't know. What should we do? Should we stick with this green, or should we go with my original blue and white? I'm sorry, yellow and black. So now this is more. This is definitely more detailed, because of the AI that runs your entire business. And these are the different things that we could do. So I was basically, in some of my earlier videos, I'm basically saying that you could get this whole system here, which includes everything that you see here, and you could resell it. And you could, instead of paying this, if you're a business, instead of paying this, you can actually learn how to do this yourself. It does take time, but as in my last video, I said, if you have more time, if you have more money than time, I would definitely go with this, one of these. And we go higher as well, easily go into $5,000. And I'm going to be increasing these fees later, but I'm still learning everything. I'm not an expert yet, but if you want to build it yourself, you could actually do it for as low as $29. And this whole system was built using this right here. Da, 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 da. So let me do this. Let's just do it for fun. Change the colors back to the original yellow and black. And let's see how long that will take. But as you see, I'm not a website designer at all. If I wanted to, I could go ahead in here and tell it I want to change this hero section. I want to, change whatever I want. It even has, the comment questions, and let's see if this actually could check out. It cannot yet. We haven't. Oh, it's not live yet. This is the. Hey, damn, that was fast. What do you guys think? You like this black and yellow? So I'm going to be doing more of these, and I'm going to set up my camera and things of that nature. So stay tuned. You can see how powerful this is. But right now, you could pick up, you could go to my current website here. You can see how it works. And this actually does work here. Okay, that's good to know. You could watch a video. This was all done by AI, just to let you guys know. So check it out, guys. As low as $29, all right? And I think I have a video. I have the video of how you actually set this up for $29 as well. Take care. Love you guys, and get this one man OS.